Hey guys, Mark here from Whitebox. So I just want to show you this van we've just finished. It's a small van, but it's got loads of space in there now. We've added a pull-out platform on here, so that locks into place really nicely. There's a platform for working on. We've got some straps down here, so this is going to strap the goods in there. This van's actually for a drone pilot, so they got all their bits and bobs going on top there. And then there's lots of extras for this. So we've got 4 heavy-duty drawers here, so they all come out. Loads of room, as you can see in there. Another 2 drawers here, even an empty one at the moment, which will be filled up soon. We've also fitted an inverter system down here, so it's got onboard power. Let's just quickly show you around the side. We've got another pull-out platform here. That comes right out the van. It means you can access bits right over there. You're not climbing in the van on your hands and knees all the time. So really, it makes the whole van completely accessible. So if you want something like this, come to Whitebox.